At HGR, we buy and sell everything, from industrial tools and parts to robots and manufacturing equipment. We serve customers globally through our online marketplace and our warehouse in Cleveland, Ohio. We buy all equipment, from one product to a truckload's worth of assets. For supersized projects, HGR can quickly provide a customized solution for the decommissioning and removal of your industrial equipment. We will focus on restoring your manufacturing site back to pre-build conditions. Our proven process is simple, effective, and fast. We provide strategic removal, cleanup, and the purchase of industrial and manufacturing equipment. HGR utilizes a green recycling program for all qualified material and remove all refuse for a full restorative cleanup while providing you with updates along the way. HGR can place a team anywhere in North America for facilities of any size. Whether you need us to decommission a single work cell to an entire plant, we'll be there to get the job done. Choose HGR to minimize disruption and downtime on your site, while we maintain safety and maximize process speed and efficiency during the decommission process. We consistently exceed customers' expectations, and we have met compressed timelines every time. Visit us today at hgrinc.com or give us a call at 216-486-4567. We look forward to helping you buy and sell your equipment and decommission your facility or warehouse.